tour guide.
You're a tour guide in Bangkok.
Yes, yeah, and all around. I have travel agency company. Hello everyone, welcome everyone to my channel Milky Story, and this is Milky All About Thailand. Welcome everyone to Thailand, the land of smile, the land of food. Yes, when we talk about Thailand, I think one thing you have to think is about food. And today I'm gonna take everyone to one of amazing cooking class. Okay, so you can enjoy the activity cooking Thai food. Are you ready? Follow me. So for the first thing we're gonna study in the tour is we're gonna go to shopping at the market. Yes. So right now we are in the group, and right now we are in market tour. So teacher gonna take us to shopping around the market, so you can know about Thai fruit, Thai food, Thai vegetable. This is a live fish, and then we buy it, and then we take them to the river and make them alive. So this is one thing we do, like do merit in Buddhism.
ต้มยำต้มขาไก่ต้มยำต้มขาไก่ครบหมดเลยช้อนนี้เป็นจุดเลยต้มยำต้มขาไก่และสาสัมอะไรเนี่ย
Any question? So, what's your market tour? All good?
Yeah, that one nice. This is gonna be a massaman curry. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is massaman curry. So I have to chop everything like this. Chop all ingredients. Number 2, are you okay?
Yeah. Thank you, number 9.
Okay. Tell each other teamwork.
Are you doing like YouTube?
Yes.
What's your channel?
I will write down. It's all about like all about Thailand travel because I'm a tour guide. We're gonna prepare all one by one and then we're gonna cook together in one time. So this is masaman curry is ready. So the next one is chicken with the cashew nut. The next one is gonna be ต้มข่าไก่ Okay, so right now I'm ready. All my dishes is ready to cook. So the first one gonna be มัสมั่นไก่
When you see bubble, when your third starts bubbling, you action on your tray, add your chicken.
Chicken.
Separate your chicken.
Tour guide.
You're a tour guide in Bangkok.
Yes. Yeah, and all around. I have travel agency company.
Curry, okay, just you on it. For morning curry, I add chicken curry. That's okay, add your chicken. Morning curry over there.
Amazing Thai cooking food, right? Okay, I hope you guys gonna have inspiration or idea if you visit Thailand. This is one of good activity you can do, like try to do Thai food in Thailand. Okay, hope to see you again next clip. When today Milky Lady Verna. Bye.